So Romans, good day. Still in Marrakesh, just doing a few things I couldn't do before I had my money come through. So today we're on a day trip to the Ouzoud Waterfalls. It's very, very popular tourist trip from Marrakesh. As you can see, this is a stop. Been on the road about an hour and we just pulled up to a cafeteria. Everybody's getting tea, coffee, going to the toilet, blah blah blah. Anyway, Ouzoud Waterfalls it is, yay! So it's a long old drive, that's for sure. But we are in Ouzoud. Big group of us, all going down to see the falls.
Professional man.
Nah.
You make good videos.
Good
Big
videos.
welcome in Morocco.
That's
Here we are.
He knows, you can spot it.
Yeah. S'il vous plaît, c'est 5 € chacun. Pour le guide et pour la barre. Ça veut dire
Information.
5 € chacun. C'est quoi votre prénom ici? Mathilde.
Information.
Louis.
Normal amount of chaos. Normal amount of chaos on one of these trips. Looking good though, nice natural place, but busy. Any tourists. The cascades of Ouzoud. Comes with monkeys and hotels. Very nice. Lots of steps, lots of shops, a few caves. Lots of olives. And busy. So now we're stopping for juice. Make some money on the Ouzoud path. Ouzoud Falls backdrop. It's pretty small down there considering they've got boats going around and stuff, but yeah. There you go, another bucket list from Marrakesh, Ouzoud Falls. So the cost of this trip from Marrakesh, including the guide, was 200 euros. So considering it takes a long time to pick everyone up and get out here, it's kind of a nice, cheap, relaxing day trip, I guess. You want to spend some time in an air-conditioned bus. But yeah, it's pretty busy once you get here, for sure. 20 dirhams extra if you want to go on the boat under the spray. Good old Morocco. Apparently it's the tallest, second tallest waterfall in Africa after the one in Tanzania, which is really famous. Perfect, isn't it?
Slow you down a bit.
Yeah, definitely.
I had one this morning, thank you.
Loads of nice restaurants around by the base of the waterfalls. All very pleasant. It's not a rock as such, it's just mud. It's amazing. Beautiful mountains in the background. Hello. So me old Romers, what do we reckon of the Ouzoud waterfall trip? Well, the actual waterfall experience itself is quite fleeting, although if you have lunch in the right place you can just chill out and watch it. It's pretty spectacular. Second biggest waterfall in Africa after Victoria Falls. Yeah, well glad I come to see it. Not a bad day out, but we've got a long drive back now. Kind of 3 hours, so if we just chill out in the buses are comfortable. So for 200 dirhams day out, thumbs up. So this is it, the top spot in all of Ouzoud. $110 metres of waterborne glory, complete with plastic bottles. And tourists. Monkeys which are found in Gibraltar and Algeria, and the mountains of the Moroccan Atlas. Hey bro.
No more. Ciao.
Hello mate. Ooh, warm day. Reminds me a lot of the Australian countryside, the bush, dry, arid creek systems. No monkeys though. Well, Romans were waiting for the stragglers to catch up, but it's all about the drive back now, so nice relaxing day, I'm like. Peace and love, knocking rooms out.